Made Lovely, and this is a tour of our winter living room. We've taken down all the Christmas decor and just left up some really special winter touches to help brighten up the dark January and February months. Our fireplace has a nice gas insert that's easy to turn on with a switch, and we've added shiplap and a barn beam mantle. I've also added a really simple faux eucalyptus garland treatment. It's actually 2 small garland pieces from Amazon and then about 5 or 6 faux eucalyptus sprays or stems tucked into the garland. And then I've added a string of twinkle lights. They're actually little ball lights. They're kind of like mercury glass, but they're plastic. I found them at HomeSense. They're battery powered with a timer, so they're really great in the middle of winter. Of course, by the fireplace we have our cozy tufted chairs. Unfortunately, lots of you have asked, but they're out of stock right now. They were from Wayfair originally. And our thrifted dresser is in the corner. It actually holds some office supplies and some DVDs. Beside the chair is a couple of nesting tables that I found at Bouclair up here in Canada. You might be able to find similar ones on Amazon or your local HomeSense or Home Goods. Our large cake stand is on top of the dresser, filled with thrifted candlesticks. There's some brass ones, some glass ones, some black ones. Some of them are new. There's a few picked up from Michael's, and just plain white candles. Behind the couch, we have a sofa table mounted to the wall, and on the couch we have our neutral beige slipcover on our IKEA couch. On the sofa table, there's some greenery with some lights. Some of those are plug-in lights, electric lights, and then the white trees were from IKEA a few years ago, and they're battery powered with little lights in them. Behind the couch, we have our big pine cabinet that was from Wayfair a couple years ago. It's actually called a bookcase, but we use it to store. There's some books in there, but not all books, some decor too. Again, our slip-covered couch is from IKEA. It's the Ektorp with the Nordvalla beige cover on it. Our blanket ladder was a DIY, as was that chalkboard. The chalkboard DIY project will be coming out with our Homemade Lovely book in the fall of 2020. The cushion covers are all from Amazon except for the one that says Acheson in the corner. A friend of ours made that for us. On the table that we made earlier in 2019, there is a tray that holds a simple Ray-Dun candle, some really old books, a fake antler, and a mini pine tree. Underneath the table is our little dog bed that goes in front of the fire, and that is pretty much our living room tour. It's very simple but cozy for winter.